We're going to climb this and climb all the way to the top, which is going to be pretty aggressive work, and then we're going to get treated to a nice view. So this is how we're going to get up to the top. You can see those people just made it, and then there's a second set of stairs right behind. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm going to shut this down. We're going to walk up both sets of stairs, and then I'm going to start rolling again. So it's blocked off. We can't go up the third set of stairs. And this is what it would look like if you went to the top. So, just to give you a little bird's eye view, this is from the second part, and there's Jeannie all the way down there. And all the way over in the corner is Bayon. He just got up and he's going to walk and see where Jeannie is, and I'm going to go down. Bayon! I bumped my head on one of those low hangers before. Top of my head. Wasn't paying attention. All right, this is our way down. And again, it is so steep that you have to be awful careful. If you fall here, you are done. I'm telling you. I'm gonna shut it off, put the stuff away, and take my time going down. This makes the ones in Mexico look civil. You start getting into these back areas where there's some older ruins, and there's nobody here. You're all alone. So exhausted from climbing up those stairs, and my legs are like rubber, which in itself is kind of dangerous when you're doing this type of stuff. It's 11:30 and about 91 degrees right now, and we've about had it. Very, very exhausted. So I think this might be the end of it for today. Again, there's no rush because we have a 3-day pass. Love it. There's no people out here. No one. And this is what you can expect. Your tuk-tuk driver, at least ours, is here waiting for us on the other side.
Have a cold water.
Yes. Yes.
Cold crab is good.
Yes. Now you'll take one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me one.
All right.
Walk too much in the sun.